Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do an unboxing and opening of a ST Dupont Le Grand Lighter yellow gold diamond head. I ordered it from Regency Cigars, and nice big box for a little lighter. Let's check this baby out. It's been a while since I did a unboxing. I'm going to try to get more active on this channel. All right. All packaging material, big box so they don't lose it, I guess, for a little cigar lighter. Ooh, so far, so good. Here we go. Very nice presentation. Wow. This thing definitely has some weight to it. This is not a cheap lighter. It's wrapped in plastic, and there you have it. Very nice. Very nice. Let me put that down. There should be some more things in this box. Yes, there is. Screwdriver. Nice guarantee card. And the manual. ST Dupont from Paris. This has the dual flame. I'm going to have to charge it up, and then we'll take a look at it. So far, I'm really impressed. This is a very heavy lighter. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back, and we got this loaded up with some butane. Here we go. The classic ding. Dual flame. Also has a jet lighter. There we have it. This is classy. It's built well, heavy. Love the gold finish. I'll leave the link below where I purchased this from, Mike from Regency Cigars. And he's up in East Greenwich, Rhode Island. And he's a Davidoff dealer also. Has all the high-end cigars up there. ST Dupont Paris. Beautiful lighter. Great to add to the collection. I'm really impressed. I am impressed. All right, that's all I have for right now. This was a short, quick unboxing, and time to go light one up.